Hi everyone, this is Sugantha, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Full Stack Web Development. This presentation is about the topic JavaScript in the subject Essence of Web Technology. Starting with the JS logo, it represents JavaScript at the heart of the web interactivity. Now let us look at the key features one by one. First is the object-oriented. JavaScript treats almost everything as an object from arrays to functions. This makes the code modular and reusability. Second is platform independent. The same JavaScript program can run on any device or operating system as long as browser is available. Third is update HTML using the DOM. Through the document object model, JavaScript can dynamically change page content, updating text, images or structure without reloading. Next is fourth is capable of exception handling. It detects and handles runtime errors smoothly using try and catch finally blocks, preventing crashes. Fifth is allowing anonymous functions. JavaScript support functions without names, which are useful in event handling and callback mechanism. When all these features combine, JavaScript truly make the web pages came alive, interactive, responsive, and intelligent. Next, we will discuss the key features of JavaScript. So this slide is going to highlight the key features that makes a JavaScript more unique. It is a client-side scripting language, meaning the code runs directly in the browser, allowing instant feedback for the user action. Next is it is event-driven, responding automatically to users' events like mouse click, form submission, or key presses. Next is the term asynchronous means JavaScript can perform multiple tasks at once, such as loading data while allowing users to continue browsing. Next is it is versatile, working for front-end, back-end, mobile apps and even machine learning applications. Finally, it has a rich ecosystem including libraries like React, Angular and Node.js that simplify the web development. These features together explain why JavaScript has become the backbone of the modern web. So next we will discuss the client side and server side nature. This image shows how the JavaScript operates both on the client side and the server side. On the client side, we see the browser window where the user clicks a button labeled on click and immediately sees a message, hello GFG. This means the script runs directly inside the browser, responding instantly without reloading the page. It is fast, interactive and user-friendly. Now on the server side, JavaScript run on using Node.js. This image shows how the server and a JavaScript file JS while working together. When the browser sends a request, the server processes it using script.js and sends back a response. The arrows in between represents the communication between the client and the server. This is two-way flow of request and response forms the foundation of full stack web development, where the same language JavaScript can control both the front end and the back end. In short, this slide will remind us that JavaScript connects both the sides of the web and the world seamlessly. Next, we will discuss the programming paradigms in JavaScript. There are two box labeled imperative and declarative. On the imperative side, the focus is on how the things should be done. You give the computer clear step-by-step instructions, for example, using loops or if statements to control the program flow. On the declarative side, the focus shifts on what should happen rather than how. For instance, when you use methods like dot map or dot filter, you can simply declare where transformation you want. Framework like React use a declarative approach, making code cleaner and easier to maintain. The two boxes in the image shows the flexibility of JavaScript, allowing the developers to choose the paradigm that best fits for their particular project. It is this adaptability that makes a JavaScript a truly a modern and a web development user-friendly language. Next, we will discuss the uses of JavaScript. The icons here represents a wide range of uses of JavaScript in today's technology world. The browser icon highlights its use in creating interactive web pages, validating forms, animating elements, and handling user inputs. The server icon points to the backend development using Node.js, where JavaScript manages data, APIs, and databases. The mobile phone symbol represents the mobile app creation with React Native and Iconic, which uses a JavaScript to build Android and iOS apps. The cloud and IoT shows how it reaches into smart devices and cloud automation, where JavaScript controls sensors, data exchange, and real-time updates. From gaming to AI-driven websites, JavaScript has become the universal language of the digital interactivity. Next, we will discuss the limitations of JavaScript. While JavaScript is powerful, the slide reminds the use of limitations. The shield or warning icon indicates the security risk since its client-side script can be viewed or modified by users. The performance issues, it's slower for heavy calculations compared to compiled languages like Java or C++. So the complexity reflect how large-scale JavaScript projects can become difficult to manage. Next is the error handling and type checking, as JavaScript allows flexible data types that can sometimes cause hidden errors. However, newer technologies like TypeScript, strict coding practices, and framework optimization have made the JavaScript much safer and more efficient. It interacts with HTML and CSS to make the website dynamic, responsive, and intelligent, where its client-side scripting, back-end logic, or mobile app development, JavaScript plays a vital role everywhere. Thank you.